The wait is finally over. The DJI Pocket 4 is no longer just a rumor. According to the latest insider updates, DJI has officially entered mass production, meaning the next-generation handheld camera could make its grand debut within just a few months. Even more exciting, a leaked prototype image of the Pocket 4 chassis has surfaced, giving us our very first real look at what's coming, and it's causing major buzz across the tech world. The leaked image shows the Pocket 4 sitting next to the Pocket 3, revealing both familiar design elements and fresh, intriguing upgrades. While the compact, ergonomic shape remains, DJI seems to have refined the texture and build for an even more premium in-hand feel. But what's truly caught everyone's attention are the two brand-new buttons spotted on the body, a first for the Pocket series. Their function isn't confirmed yet, but early speculation suggests they could be linked to customizable controls or improved zoom features, potentially solving one of the Pocket 3's biggest usability gaps. Excitement is soaring, and from the looks of it, DJI is gearing up for another game-changing release. Let's dive deeper into what makes the DJI Pocket 4 such a fascinating upgrade. While the Pocket 3 set new standards for portability and cinematic stabilization, the Pocket 4 seems ready to take that even further. The leaked chassis shows DJI maintaining the same 2-inch rotatable display setup, the hallmark of the Pocket line, ensuring a familiar shooting experience while likely enhancing responsiveness and durability. But what's most interesting is the evolution in design and control. The area below the display, which previously carried only the Osmo logo on the Pocket 3, now features two functional physical buttons. These could be connected to the rumored dual camera system, allowing creators to seamlessly switch between focal lengths, activate split-screen or dual-view modes, or control new shooting features, all without relying solely on touchscreen menus. Their placement suggests easy thumb access, emphasizing DJI's focus on intuitive, creator-friendly operation. Reports also hint that this design was spotted during what appeared to be a promotional shoot in Barcelona, a classic DJI move to test early models in real-world filming environments. The new chassis weighs around 116 grams, noticeably lighter than the Pocket 3's 179 grams. Measuring 145 by 38.3 by 30 millimeters, it's taller yet slimmer and more compact overall, marking a clear push toward a travel-ready, ergonomic build. This lighter, sleeker form should appeal especially to vloggers and filmmakers who shoot on the move and value comfort over long sessions. Further documentation suggests the Pocket 4 is in final testing, with strict safety and firmware guidelines, a strong signal that production is nearly complete. Though details about the actual camera sensor, resolution, or new shooting modes remain under wraps, that silence might be intentional. DJI could be saving its biggest reveal for the official launch. Comparing the Pocket 4 to its predecessor highlights a clear physical evolution. The drastic drop in weight, nearly 35% lighter, means less fatigue for handheld creators. The refined dimensions hint at improved balance, suggesting DJI has reworked its internal gimbal system for better stability and efficiency. The result could be the most seamless handheld camera yet, one that blends professional performance with genuine pocket-sized portability. And with leaked documents referencing final safety stages, it's clear the Pocket 4 is nearly ready for takeoff. DJI may even be preparing multiple variants, possibly a base model and a Pro Edition featuring higher-end camera capabilities and advanced video performance. What's certain is that DJI is doubling down on pushing the limits of what a truly compact camera can do. The DJI Pocket 4 isn't just another upgrade, it's a statement of intent. From its refined, lightweight design to the addition of new functional buttons and improved ergonomics, everything points toward DJI's goal of redefining on-the-go content creation. With real-world testing already underway and production in full swing, it's clear that DJI's next leap in handheld innovation is right around the corner. So, what do you think? Could the Pocket 4 become the ultimate travel-friendly filmmaking tool? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love staying ahead of the latest camera tech, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Technify, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Something small, sleek, and incredibly powerful is on the horizon, and we can't wait to see what DJI unveils next.